Oke, bisa dimulai.
Bisa.
Oke, one, two, three, go.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want presentation about my all IT project from 7th grade until 9th grade. And before that, I want introduce my name first. My name is Muhammad Hasan Al Afghani. You can call me Hasan. I'm from 9th grade, especially from 9A class. So now I want to tell to you what is IT subjects and projects. ID subjects is a mandatory subjects at IDNBS that all students must take and must do. IT is a subject which is used to study all information technology or any technology that helps humans create things, communicate, and or disseminate information. Subject IT has many projects that a student must complete. So, IT subjects is one subjects in IDN Body School that must join and I yeah. So now I want to tell you what is my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. So in 7th grade at semester 1 I do and study about game. I study with application. The name is Scratch and Buildbox. Buildbox for semester 2. And also website. I make in WordPress and Google Sites. At 8th grade, I study about multimedia in Figma and IoT in Wokwi and other fruit and application. I make application with Codular and PST or Visual Studio Code with Flutter. First, about game. So, I make game with two application. First is Scratch and the second is Buildbox in 7th grade. Now for Buildbox. So in Buildbox I make so many game and now I want to tell you only two game because if all that's so much. Okay, first game is car game. In here I make a car game like drive. So the game is how to play game, how to play this game. You just drive the car, don't go out from the way. So you can see in here there is a way you must drive, yeah. And the beside there is building this like real, yeah, but fake, yeah. And the second is running ball. So in here you must play the game. I'm sorry, you cannot see the ball, but in here there is ball and there is uh, square, yeah. So you must uh, play the ball, don't fall, yeah. Must uh, drive the ball like one, two, two. Follow the square ya. And that all from my game in Buildbox. And now I want to tell to you for Scratch. First, I also make so many game with Scratch, but now I want to tell to you only two game. That is a good and best game from me, and I like it. First game is Defender game. So this game is tank and enemy. The enemy is from tank 2. So how to play this game? That's so easy to play. You only uh, play this. Play your tank. That's called hero. Shoot the enemy, and the enemy don't can touch the line. So there is line that if the enemy can touch, the game will lose. So if the hero empty, you can win, and the enemy has have two types here. First is enemy, and the second is big enemy. So the big enemy is the light boss from enemy, and be careful if there is big boss, you must shoot until die. Why? Because if the ball not die, you the game will lose. And the boss have so many item, and he can shoot you too. So you must run if there is uh, big boss. Okay, right. And for my second, for my game is adapt game. So in here you can play this game to study, learn, uh, adapt or attitude when wake up and when eating. So in here there the so in here there is two attitude will teach you. First is about adapt or attitude when one sleep and when wake up. And the second is attitude when eating. Yeah, because when you want eating and sleep, you must follow sunnah Nabi, and that is attitude to from Nabi to me too. And yeah, like that. Okay. Now about website. I make website with two application or website two. First is from WordPress, and the second is from Google Sheet. From WordPress, I make my personal website. This is my personal website, and here I show to you all about my all project from 7th grade until 9th grade. I put my project in here, and you can see. You can write my website link. Okay, and for Google Search, I make most website. So in here, I make about my most in home. The name is Masjid Al Hidayah. in here, uh, I I'm so in this website, the I show to you, but azan schedule. So if you want, oh, when ya azan zuhur, azan maghrib, you can open this website, and there is so many too ya about uh, zakat, about haji. There's two inside this website, and you can open, and the following you can see me in my YouTube. Now, for my multimedia. Now, multimedia. I make my multimedia or design ya in Figma and Canva. But now I want to show to you for Figma ya, because in Canva there's so much. There's no so much. First is company profile. Now in here is about video. So this video is tell to you what is Ideal Boarding School, and like uh, the subjects, schedule, like, oh, for this time what we do, that's all there is in this video. And yeah, I make with Radikta. So in here is Radikta. So Radikta say ya for IDM, and I say too, but this picture only Radikta. The second project from multimedia is food flyer poster. So in here I make a burger. So food flyer poster is poster that say tell to you what is food we sell. Like that ya. And in here is about burger. So I tell to you all what is big burger, and there's the description ya in on this. And if you want order in the beside for yeah, there is number and social media that you can open and can buy. So if you want buy from there, from social media like Instagram and from WA or WhatsApp. IoT. So I make IoT with two websites or applications. First is Walkwi, and the second is Adafruit. Okay, Adafruit. Now is for Walkwi ya. I make robots remote control. So this robot is make. So this robot is some robot uh, with remote control. So if you want play this robot, you can play with remote control. And in down you can see, at down you can see there is code for make this robot. And I'm sorry I know not show to you for the robot because I cannot find from this YouTube channel and from Google, and I forgot to the name. And now is from Adafruit. First is vending machine. So this product is machine that like in mall ya. So we sell food with machine and robot. So the example is if you want buy, you can pay with money or cash them to Dutch machine. After that, Dutch machine will open and give to you what you buy, like food and some yeah, and other. But vending machine not only for food. That's can to for Hot Wheel, for mm, rock item and other someone. And the second, my product from other food is greenhouse feed. So this is uh, house that save save earth, yeah. And I made this product from other fruit and walkie. So two application I made this project, yeah. Okay, application. So I make this application with two application our website too, and also first is from Codular and the second is from Flutter and FSE. Oh, now is from Flutter. So yeah, I make this app from Flutter and FT. In here, you can open and this app is about radio online. And uh, you in here you can hear about kajian, about Rotal Al Quran, and other so many. Okay, maybe that all for me. Sorry if I mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.